This is actually so weird because I haven't sat and talked to the camera in like 3 months or something weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hi, welcome to the fam. I'm Nyemba. I make YouTube videos, obviously you found me on YouTube, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you like my content. And yeah, as I always say when I start videos like this, like it's always a long while after, like, what am I saying? I don't do sit down videos back to back, so it's always a while before I do another sit down video, so it's always like a brand new feeling kind of every time I sit down and talk to the camera. So yeah, like today I was almost not gonna do this video because I'm breaking out so badly, and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't wanna like sit in front of a camera and be like looking like a pepperoni. But then I was like, we live in an imperfect world, okay? So yeah, that's that. And excuse my lopsided buns, like, yeah, that's a story for another day. So yeah, hey guys! Hi! I've missed you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys liked my Cooking with Nyem series, which was highly requested by a lot of you, so yeah, hope you liked it. And yeah, we're gonna just get right into this. Okay, so I've kind of like listed what I want to talk about on my phone just so I don't forget anything. So to start things off, thank you so much for 1,000 subbies, you guys. Oh my gosh, like when it happened, I had already pre-filmed my Cooking with Nyem, so I like didn't get to actually say it in the video. But thank you so much to all of you who subscribe and watch and like and interact in the comments and all of that. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, who would have thought? Oh my gosh, I remember when I hit like 100 subs, I was so excited, you guys, and like 1K, I'm like, oh my gosh, like what? That's crazy. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone who's subscribed and who shows love. I appreciate it a lot. We're just gonna continue to grow and grow and grow, and yeah. The next thing is, yeah, school's just been so hectic of late, like so freaking hectic. I've been so overwhelmed, you guys, like I can't even put it into words. Like, I've just been, you know, where it's like you're alive but you're barely breathing. I'm still alive but I'm barely breathing. But yeah. Like, it was just so stressful, and I like try not to get stressed out and whatnot, but that's why I just say like it's been so overwhelming where you're just like, oh my gosh, like where you can't even do something, like just sit or something without thinking you have work to do. And oh my god, the phone. Anyway, yeah, without thinking you have work to do and actually having work to do, and it's been so hectic. But then today actually was the final submission day for my final coursework for this foundation course, so I was like so happy, like oh my gosh, now I get to breathe a little better, like just a little better before exam prep starts. So yeah, that's that. But it's been crazy. Like, that's why at least I had pre-filmed my Cooking with Nyem, so my job was just to edit and then post. I didn't have to like sit and film and edit and all of that, because Lord knows I wouldn't have managed that. Like, it would have been so much more work. But yeah, at least I've done my coursework and submitted everything on time, so we're on track with something at least. And then yeah, I'm pretty much coming to the end of my course now. Exams are start in 2 weeks. And yeah, like it's so crazy. Like, January feels like it was yesterday. I feel like I just got here and now we're like almost at the end of it. So when I was coming, it just seemed so far away, like oh my gosh, it's such a long while to go. But then now it's like pretty much here, like end of July, I'm gonna be done. Crazy. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm super excited. On to new things, you know, bigger, better things. As far as summer plans go, I'm going home for the summer. Well, part of my summer, because for people who are in like regular uni, they're already on their summer vacation, but mine doesn't start till after exams. and my last exam is on the 25th of July, so only after that is when I'm gonna go home, and I'm gonna be home for, I think, 4 weeks. 4 weeks or so. 4 to 5 weeks, I think. I haven't done my research properly, like I haven't looked at the calendar properly, but yeah, I'm gonna be there for at least a month, so I'm super excited about that. And while I'm home, I want to collab with so many of you Zed creatives, so if you're a Zambian creative and you're watching this in whatever aspect, you're a blogger, you're a YouTuber, you're a photographer, you're a makeup artist, you're something, in any way that we can collab, just, you know, hit me up. My email's in the description box, or you can hit me up on any of my social media, which are also in the description box, because, you know, let's network, let's collab, let's put Zambia on the map, you know what I mean? So yeah, I know someone would have asked about this if I made this like an open-ended, ask me what I should talk about in this video, so I kind of like read y'all's minds when I'm doing some of these things, you know? So I know some of y'all are so intrigued, or I don't know what the word is, but yeah, someone was definitely gonna ask,
how's long distance going?
It's fine. Like, we're still going strong, we're still, you know, it's just recently, I don't know if it's because I know that I'm going home soon or what, I just like miss him so much. Like, it's so weird. Like, I find it weird. Like, all this time I was so thug and like, yeah, you know, I got this or whatever. And like, even in my spilling the tea Q&A, I said how like I was handling it better than he was, which I was, for real. But then recently, we've both just been shambles. Like, I don't know, it's so weird. Like, I think it's because we know we're gonna see each other soon, so there's a bit of like that anticipation slash anxiety slash like, I don't even know what it is, but yeah, we've both just been shambles. Like, oh my god, I miss you, oh my god, I miss you. Like 50 times a day. Before it wasn't like that bad. And then we'd talk almost, like, even then we'd talk like almost every day, but it wasn't like every day. But then now it's like we talk for like hours on end, like every day, and yeah, couldn't be closer than we are right now, honestly. So yeah, so far so good. We're still managing. It may be hard, but we miss each other a lot. But we got this, you know what I'm saying? We got this. And the final thing I want to talk about is, I actually don't have a final thing to talk about, but yeah, you guys should expect a lot of fun content coming during the summer, like when I'm done with exams and when I'm home. Like, I have a whole list of videos I want to film when I'm home, both with Kay, with Dom, with whoever wants to collab with me, with myself. And yeah, like, I just want to incorporate especially more beauty and style related videos into my channel, and just more fun things, you know, like cooking with Nyemba. Yeah, it was cool, it was very different, like super out of my league or alley, but like, you know, it wasn't as interactive as I would have probably liked it to be, because it was just me narrating what I was doing. And yeah, but this time I've come up with a bunch of new content ideas that I think you guys will like. Well, I'm excited about them. I'm excited to film them. I'm excited to edit them. And yeah, hopefully you guys will be excited to watch as well. So yeah, but then I'm always open to what y'all want to see, so you can always comment down below what you want from me. Hit me up on my social media. Y'all can DM me anywhere. I'll see it most likely. So yeah, email me if you have to, saying I want you to film this. And I'll be like, okay. And yeah, it's not always that I'll get the chance to film what y'all want me to film, but then I try my hardest, like, to satisfy your watching needs, I should say. Yeah, because, you know, at the end of the day, it's about what you guys want to watch and not always what I want to produce. So yeah, that's that. Oh, another thing, you guys, have you heard Dom's new music? Or Dom and Luke's, aka Muko and Eco Ace's new music? Like, it's so lit. I'm just gonna play samples right now. The first one is called Flex. If y'all haven't heard this, like, I don't know what you're doing. Like, what are you doing? But yeah, I'll have the download links down below, but then they're like available everywhere on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, SoundCloud, everywhere. Just, yeah, wherever. I like the intro, like I like the beat.
Who's at the party? I'm trying to get started. I just left the studio and I'm trying to get naughty. Ooh, I just saw her hard. Damn it, look at her body. Hope she came with a friend. Doesn't matter, I'ma see her again. Yeah, hit them with the swag and with the flow, and then the vocals come in the end. I don't even have to act or pretend. Every time I talk to you and your friend, do you wanna flex? I wanna know. Tell me what's next. Then we can roll. Are you with your friends? Or you came alone? Cause I wanna flex on you. I'm gonna flex on you. Hey, hey.
Alright, so that's Flex. And then I'm gonna play y'all Finesse. I don't have a favorite. Like, I kinda equally like them. Because they have such different vibes, you know? So.
There's fire on you. There's a lot of gas in here. I see you. You wanna get all my attention. I feel you. I wanna take you back to the crib. Still there. See, baby, come a little bit closer. I need you. Yeah, I really need you. I wanna get your space and hold you real tight. Every time I talk, you give me that green light. So, girl, what you want? But baby, I don't fight. Nah, cause you can get it on. So, baby, come on, come on. My wrist gon' be flexing the chain. Cause she physically fit. I want her to reap on this. Baby, get in the mix. I wanna see you finesse, 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 finesse. I see you.
Alright, that's it. That's it for the new music. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. I like it a lot. And no, I'm not being biased because it's Dom and Luke. I actually like the music. Like I always say, I like good music. So whatever genre it is, hit me with it. If I vibe to it, I vibe to it. And that's it. So yeah, I think I've pretty much updated you guys on where I am right now in my life and stuff. Oh, and another thing is I might be starting a written blog. Might. Emphasis on might. Reason being, like I've always wanted to do it, like alongside my YouTube, but I haven't really known what I wanted to go on it. But I realized sometimes when I ask you guys like, oh, what videos do you want to see? You give me all these ideas, but then some of them are just more, I don't know what the word is. Like some of them just kind of seem more like blog posts rather than vlog posts, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'll try to work something out. If I can put something together and like, yeah, execute it well, then I'll definitely do it. And just give me ideas. If you would read my blog, give me ideas on stuff you'd want to see. And yeah, I think that's it officially. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking by. Thank you so much for all the love you guys show. I really appreciate it. So don't forget to thumbs this up, share it with somebody, subscribe, comment, follow me on, I don't know, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, I don't know, wherever else. I'm like on every social media platform. So yeah, thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. I don't know when that will be, probably next week. And yeah, toodles.
Oh my gosh, this video is actually so short. Wow. Okay.